Double cup, big computer, foggy nuts. I don't want friends, I want Audis. Smoking on booth in his Maui. I check the bitch like I'm Mari.
Hey guys, today I am going to show you my first mod to my recently acquired Audi A5. It's a fairly cheap mod, cost me only 20 bucks, and it's rubber floor mats. They are fairly easy to install. Firstly, remove the packaging. Then cut out the rubber for the holes. As you can see, the rubber mats have these locations, where you should cut the hole out. Rubber mats are the best thing to upgrade in your car before winter comes, as they don't hold moisture as normal mats do. The last thing to do is remove your old mats and replace with the new ones. Sorry for the mess in the car. I've just bought this beauty and haven't got to the cleaning yet. Original mats just pops out when you pull on them. Just checking if the new ones look like the old ones. These ones are harder to install. You might have to use some WD-40 to make the plastic thing go all the way through the rubber mat easier. These mats are secured with two plastic thingies. Rear mats are not secured, so just take them out and replace. Repeat the process in the other side of the car and you are all done. Thanks for watching.